You want this in your mouth.
Prepare to make your new go-to healthy snack, Spinach and Feta Crisps. These delightful bites are incredibly simple to make, requiring 7 common ingredients you likely already have in your pantry and fridge. Whether you follow a gluten-free diet or not, these crisps are naturally gluten-free when made with almond flour, my preference for this recipe. The harmonious blend of fresh chopped spinach, tangy feta cheese, a binding egg, savory Parmesan cheese, and a quick spritz of oil transforms these ingredients into an irresistible snack that's both nutritious and incredibly delicious. But don't forget your twice still spiced. That's the kicker right there. For an extra layer of flavor, whip up a fresh homemade tzatziki while your crisps are baking. I have a fantastic recipe for that. So go ahead and make your kitchen magic. Like, follow, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Okay.
These look so good. They smell so good. Little homemade tzatziki with my spinach feta crisps. Let's see. I like this. I think you will too. Make your kitchen magic. Okay?